Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on my homepage to learn more. So, anyways, the pound yen has been pretty sideways for the last couple of weeks. One thing we have to keep in mind is even though we think that it might end up pushing up, we have to keep in mind that the weekly, daily, and monthly are all definitely still in a downtrend. We definitely do not have a break of structure on any of the higher time frames, which means that this move that we're seeing definitely still could be an ABC correction. That's why last week I was saying this could be an A, could be a wave B. Kind of looks like it might drift down a little bit, maybe even finish off a wave B, and then maybe go up and make a wave C. So we have to assume that any move we see to the upside could potentially just be a correction to the downtrend. So if we do see price go up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and make a significant engulfing impulsive move to the downside, then I would definitely continue to look for shorts every single chance I get. If you are trading the very short time frames, then you probably are looking for longs because it definitely did break up. That's why I think this is potentially an A, B, C, but it could even turn into a wave one, a wave two, and a wave three. So I guess if you are trading the sort of time frames, I would suggest longs. Just keep in mind that this move right here very easily could be a correction to the daily time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.